Sometimes last week, a very good friend of mine called me and asked if I wanted some leaves from China. And I said, of course, I want some leaves from China. They are green leafy vegetables, and of course, they are edible. So why not? I want them. I don't know the leaves she's talking about, but as long as they are edible, I want them. And immediately she sent some over. She said her sister-in-law got the seeds from China and she planted them, and in few months or weeks, I think, she harvested them, and there were a lot of them. I don't know what they are called, but they look like lettuce. I went online to search and see if I would find a name for it. I saw something that looked like it, and it was called Japanese cabbage. If you're from China or you reside in China and you know what this leaf is, you may not even be in China, but you know what this leaf is called, please tell me in the comment. I really want to know the name of this leaf. And when she sent these leaves over, I was thinking of what to cook with it. I wanted to prepare something spectacular, something delicious, something yummy. And I came up with this. Yes, it's just the regular sauce that you know. This is egg sauce, okay? Just make your egg sauce. I'm not going to go into the details. Everything is well detailed in the video. Just watch the video and see how I made it. You prepare your egg sauce and you add the veggies. I tell you, the taste of this thing was heavenly. It was so delicious. And look, if you're not even hungry, once you see that sauce, you will want to eat it. Because the leaves are very green. The color is very inviting. But I must let you know that your egg sauce must be thick. The leaf does not hold water, so you must be very careful while making your egg sauce. I added some turkey and chicken, and the taste was heavenly. It was lip smacking, so delicious. Everybody wanted more. Make this and tell me how it is. But if you're not able to lay your hands on the Japanese cabbage, you can try lettuce. I think they belong to the same family. I'll leave the list of ingredients in the comments or in the description box. So people, that is all for now. If you're still here with me, don't forget to give me a like, leave me a comment, and please share the video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.